Be a short video on woven landscape fabric. This particular stuff, when you cut it, unravels and the strings will pull off of there, and if that's out there and not covered up with something holding it on, it's going to come apart. So you don't want that like that. You either have to hem it and pin it on the edges, or, which is what I just did with 1,500 square feet I just laid, but now I'm doing some trees, so I'm cutting circles out, and I've been watching some YouTube videos myself. This gal up in Canada's got a large area where she's planting flowers and stuff, and she burns holes with a torch. So what I got is my little handheld torch here on a low setting, and we're just gonna I've already burned a little bit of it and it works really well. That's not gonna unravel, so that'll save me from having to pin it. What's more time consuming, pinning or doing this? I don't know, but you got to do something with it. So I'm just gonna hang that off like that and show you how it's done here. You don't want to burn it too much because it'll wrinkle up. This particular one's got the felt backing on it, which I assume is better than not having that. You can see it just melts that in and pulls them strands right in. Too much heat and she shrinks up like that, so you got to be careful not to burn it too much. Just nice, easy. Anyway, you just work your way around. Doing a lot of long straight edges, you're probably better off pinning it, but I'm going to do my circles for my trees like this, just so I can lay the pattern on the ground. I'll cut a slit right up the middle here and either an X in the middle for the tree and let it flop back down. Probably do that and just burn it where I cut the X. So, and then a slit right along here and overlap that just a hair for my trees. Should work well. Won't unravel.